So welcome to Trina's Motivation. Join me today, guys, as I show you how I pair this quick one-pot meal spaghetti with chicken breast and ham, served up with sliced tomatoes. Now, these tomatoes were from Borges Backyard and Container Farm. Check her out. So this is our chicken breast. Over here we have our ham slices, then we have tomato, onions, sweet pepper, and there we have our spaghetti. So this is almost done. I add a little oil. So I was recommended to add a little oil to the mixture so it doesn't stick together. So of course, you know, the chicken breast won't take very long to complete, like about 15 minutes. You want it to be tender, and then we're gonna add our ham. We go in with our onion, tomato. Here's our ham, and we're gonna allow this to saute for about 3 minutes or so. Then we combine everything together. So notice the color has not changed. Yes. We're gonna mix everything together now. Now you could actually serve this up with some rice, but we're going to add our sauce to this, then our spaghetti. Our sauce is now added, so we have our tomato sauce, a little sugar, little vinegar, and just make sure it tastes. Or you can use tomato paste, so whatever you have. Then we're gonna go in now with our spaghetti. So this is the finished product, guys. To be honest, I'm not necessarily a lover of it, but sometimes you got to do what you got to do, so you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that like button if you love what you see. It's bye for now, guys. Until my next one.